Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there was a little house. This is an excellent story. I like stories, Mommy. And in this little house, what house? This little house lived 3 little birds. Oh. And they would go every day, after a long day of hard work, into the house. My God, really? Yes. Now remember, Luigi, there were three little birds. Oh my God. And they would go into the little house. And then there was a baby bird, the Luigi bird. The Luigi bird. That's the bird I'm going to get. I like that bird. No, I want that bird. The Luigi bird was slow and fat, but he also, after a long day of hard work, this is a great story, would go into the little house. And all the birds lived in this little house. Oh my God. The